Being monogamous isn't always easy. Sometimes temptation's just too great, and before I know it, my mouth is stuffed with a new yet familiar taste. Hi, and welcome to Bitchy Vegan Homo. Anyone that knows me knows that pancakes are my favorite food. They're also my second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth favorite food, but if I was going to make someone something that wasn't pancakes for breakfast, it would definitely be French toast. And since I've been working on my own vegan version of French toast for a while that does a great job of mimicking the kind of traditional custardy feel that you get from the chicken abortion version, this one is going to really impress anyone that you make it for breakfast. So first we're going to make our custard by adding 8 ounces of tofu. I'm using extra firm, but really any kind will do. You don't even need to drain it. Then we're going to add a cup of soy or almond milk, a tablespoon of flour, and our cinnamon, nutmeg, and sugar. Then we're going to put on our lid and blend it until it is nice and smooth and creamy. For this recipe, it's really important to use the right kind of bread. I recommend using a nice loaf of French bread, not a baguette, just a nice regular French bread that's been a little bit stale, like a day or two old. So whenever you bang your loaf on the ground, you're going to hear, well, not the ground, on the table. Hopefully you're not banging your loaf on the ground. But when you bang it on your cutting board, it's going to sound like that. And I like my French toast to be a little bit thick, so I cut it about 1.5 inches. The slice is about 1.5 inches. So when it soaks up the custard, it's not going to be too soggy. We got to get our bread soaked with our custard, so we're going to pour a little of the custard into the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch pan, and then we're going to layer in our sliced French bread, and then we're going to pour custard over the slices. And then you just let that soak everything up for a few minutes. If you didn't get it all over, just flip them over and make sure that they're soaked. So I've got my griddle heating to 375 degrees. I've used a little laser thermometer to see that that's the temperature it's at. I've lightly greased it, and now we're going to add our French toast to it and cook it on each side until it's golden brown for about 3 to 4 minutes. And now we're ready to just top our French toast with some fresh maple syrup and enjoy. Thanks for watching Bitchy Vegan Homo. Please subscribe. Visit bitchyveganhomo.com for this and other great recipes. Thank you for being vegan on behalf of myself and the animals. Pancake infidelity has never tasted this good.